Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear scan history on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Click on the profile icon on the top left corner. Now click on the settings option. Scroll down. And here you can see clear scan history option. Tap on it. And if you're sure to clear it, click on the clear button. And that is how you can clear scan history on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.